Nowadays, social media is playing an important role in Bangladesh journalism, as journalists are afraid to post on national television because they are facing many consequences, so they choose to create their own platform in social media. And millions of people are getting real news from social media, and they are getting a lot of views. It's an important fact that social media nowadays, especially Facebook and Instagram, is one of the most viewed news sites for the journalists in Bangladesh.
Seidekhanov was the first journalist in Afghanistan. Unfortunately, the situation of journalism in media in Afghanistan is alarming. Currently, in Afghanistan, the case of death and victimization of journalists are increasing.
One of the facts about the journalism in Afghanistan is now the government is under the hand of the Taliban. They put a law for the female journalists that they have to wear burqa or they have to cover their face.
In my country, people are very passionate about newspaper. When newspaper published any news against corruptions or government, they'll become very popular. For example, in 2013, there is a newspaper, Amar Desh, who has been sold even $3 or $4, and people are getting line to get these newspapers. So that's the main interesting things in Bangladesh.